ade ngikhala lana ngikhalela ukuthi into eziningi ezizenzayo aziyakhi sense nami ngaphezulu masuthi question aziyakhi sense ukubuza la can you risk something that is very scarce and precious to you just to show and prove to people that you can risk this and still have it in abundance because that's what we do. Tina, when it comes to spending, we don't focus on utility and efficiency. So focus on how are we going to be viewed if we have this now. We are constantly denting wealth yethu, our wealth potential because of our self-worth. Uyazi ukuthi wealth is what you don't see. Someone who is wealth is someone you cannot even give a second glance if you come across in the grocery shop. Indlela zobe yona nje is very ordinary. Kodwa una 2 to 3 million kwi portfolio yakhe angayeka umsebenzi noma inini methanda. Yes. Bathi-ke ngalesi sikhathi ubingelele changes akhasha othi kungenza noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ucabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona. Yabona ke manje sengingafika ngibeke ophaqa baka 50 rand ngiphinde ngibeke ophaqa baka 500 rands. Labo ophaqa lapha lama pair ophaqa ayafana ncemishi, ukhala uyafana, i-design iyafana, yonke into iyafana, kufana ngisho size. Kodwa laba baka 500 rands bane triangle nje encane emnyama phela. Yazi ukuthi umuntu engafika athathe baphi manje, engafika athathe laba baka 500. Yazi ayeke laba baka 50 rand. Angithi uyabona ukuthi now is not a matter of utility. It's not a matter of ukuthi into useful kangakanani. Because people can buy amaguza amakhulu abasindayo kube nzima ngisho ukuhamba, kodwa they buy it anyway because they are costly. They can buy a phone with more than 30,000, close to 60,000 ezoshotelwa ispace. Ezoshotelwa ispace just for self-worth. But there's no wealth in the portfolio. There's no wealth in the portfolio. They are risking your wealth just to be seen as some people who are wealthy. They are risking in their wealth potentials to be seen as wealthy while they are not. Angithi ke i-survival yethu ilele lapho ekuthenini iqala i-survival beyikhonjiswa vele ngokuthi look ukuthi mina njengoba mina ngikanje, mina I can take care of you. Ayilento ikhombisa kwi-society ukuthi I can survive. Look, I can bend the whole money and still have it. So it means I can survive. It means survival. While we are bleeding. Yiyo ke le ayibiza utobani loya waka Veblen kodwa uTostin Veblen uyibiza ngokuthi conspicuous consumption, they're just consuming for the sake of attention, not for the sake of utility and usefulness of that's what we are buying. Yabo angenivele namawashi naleli lisho isikhathi esisodwa naleli, kodwa mina ngidecide leli libizayo. There's a signal, this is psychological. There's a signal I'm sending. and marketers in the marketing sector, they've used that tool, they've used that phenomenon to our disadvantage. Because now we are trying to prove to people that they don't even care about us. We're trying to prove to them kubantu abaneyinkinga zabo vele abangenandaba ngisho nawe. We're proving to them. It's not a matter of imoto ezokuthatha ikubeka. It's not a matter of gqoka nje. And by that time lezo zinto lezo angithi thina sibukela kulabo abantu for a working class it's very terrible ngale ndlela, because laba abaphezulu, laba ngizothina ngifundza amabhujwazi, kodwa nje laba abacebile nje, laba esibamimikhaya nje, laba abacebile bona it's just a friction of umcebo wabo. It's just a friction nje ukuthi yena uthenge ifoni ngo-150,000. It's just lokungana nje, it was just a friction, ushintshi loyo. And lezi zinto lezi mabeyithenga thina sibalandela laba banemali ukuthi nathi sifuna ukuyithola siclassify kanjalo. Bona they just move away, they move to something else, because le nto esibalandela kuyona igcina siyi-standard, siyi-baseline, siyi-standard because everyone can afford it now, or everyone is getting in. Angithi everyone is getting in, and bona they are moving by that time, because everyone is getting in, they are moving to something else, because this thing now is a baseline. It's standard now, they are moving to something else. And by the time they are moving to something else, lokho nobukade ukuthengile, it's obsolete. Febe gqokisa ukuthi nansi into in manje, nansi ikusi bayigqokela bona asiyabamamika kusi yasuka lapho shiya phansi indaba egusi nonke senayigqoka, siyogqoka nje brand ethule nje. Yonke lento namagama si-obsolete, esidlulile lapho, zingaki nje izinto kufikwa kuzona kudlulwa, kufike kulokhu kudlulwe, akukho kumayo nje, because vele ingqondo yomuntu idalelwe kona vele ukuthi iya-adapta nje, we keep on adapting. And this is a game that is being played. Yeah, we are just focusing on the wrong side of the equation. That's what I can tell you. Esidlala ama-effects amaningi. The zero effects, kuningi, and it's becoming kuningi. I-wealth ileyo ongayiboni, awuyiboni. It has not been converted into something that you can see. Maybe what you see the rich people, but the wealth people, you don't see them. Because they are not trying to prove to broke people that they are well-to-do, they are well-established, they are wealthy. They don't try to prove to broke people that who will never help them with anything. But thina yona i-working class yona esenkingeni kakhulu, because inane pressure, because kunento yabo i-Didiro effect isebenza kanje. Ithi mase wena usuthenge lokhu manje, sekumele uthenge nalokhu, yabo, njengokuthi nje nansi ifoni, manje mase ngiphatha le phone semele ngithenge nani ne-screen protector, ngoba mingasife le phone ngeke iyabiza, semele ngithenge i-screen protector. Ngithi manje mase ngithenge lesi screen protector, manje sekumele ngithenge nani, sekumele ngithenge ne-cover manje, le cover ibukeka inhle, engase ngiyenze ibe girlish, sekumele ngithenge i-stick esithile. I-Didiro effect ke leyo. Naku sengithenge isigqoko segusi manje, esemele ngithengeni manje, angisakwazi phela manje, usungafika ugqoka isigqoko sayo uphinde ugqoka iskipa sayo, bese uhamba nangeenyawo sekumele ube nemoto manje yabo. Nakhona futhi ngoba usunemoto ke manje sekumele ukuthi uhlale la. Angithi yabo, this is the Diderot effect which is chowing us. Diderot effect ukuthi it's a chain reaction of buying or spending. It's a chain reaction. Wakha nini kumnotho lapho? Wakha nini kumnotho lapho? Yabo. Yethi njalo ngala kusekhona enye sengikhohle ukuthi ubani lo wa discover le inflation trap. There's an inflation trap ukuthi labantu vele yabo imali la iflow khona. First, ayiflow kuwena wena uyahola wena ize kugcineni wena. Iza kugcina ngapi? Iza wena it leaves a trail of inflation behind before ifike kuwe. Wena lento abazithengayo bona bazithenga izinto zanamhlanje bazithenga ngeprice yayizolo. Yes, and they are causing inflation. Wena by the time ifika kwena imali already lezo zinto seyinyukile. Because bona balapha phezulu la iphuma khona vele. Ngithi yazi money supply isuka central bank iya kuma banks, the excesses, the businesses buy raw material. When ifika kwena lapha late, they have already played the game up there. By the time ifika kwena vele idlala inflation. And now we are trying to prove to people, we are mimicking the rich people, the wealthy people, and you can't mimic the wealthy person because you have never seen that person. You can mimic the rich one because you have seen the 4 cars, yabo.